In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zoho CRM Plus, how to add new users, change super admin email, and add email from addresses. First, sign in to your Zoho CRM account and head to the home page. In the top right corner, open the gear icon to access Setup. This is your central hub for managing users, company settings, and email configuration. To add a new user, go to Users. Click New User and follow the on-screen prompts. Enter the person's name and work email, then assign the appropriate role and profile so their permissions match what they need to do. It's also a good idea to confirm the user's time zone and language, especially for distributed teams. When you save, Zoho will send an invitation to that email. Remind the user to accept the invite promptly so their access is activated. If you're on a limited seat plan, double-check that you have an available license before sending the invite. Next, let's update the super admin from within company settings. From Setup, open Company Settings. Click the pencil icon to edit your company details. Find the super admin field and select the user who should hold that responsibility. There can only be one super admin, and this person becomes the primary contact for billing, subscription, and critical account notifications. Make sure the selected user has long-term access to your organization's inbox and understands the responsibility. Click Save to confirm the change. If prompted, review the confirmation carefully, since this affects account ownership and key communications. Now, let's configure email so you can send messages from the right, from address inside CRM. Back in Setup, open Email, then go into the Email section again to reach Compose and Sending Settings. Click Get Started. From here, choose the option that matches your setup. You can connect your email provider or add specific from addresses you want users to send from. Using a company domain address helps with branding and deliverability. As you configure, you may be asked to verify the address or domain. Zoho will guide you through sending a confirmation email or providing domain verification details. Set a default from address if needed, and review signatures and compliance settings so messages align with your policies. Save your changes when you're done. That's it. You've added users, updated the super admin, and configured email from addresses in Zoho CRM Plus. Keep your user list current as your team changes, ensure the super admin is always up to date, and test sending an email from within CRM to confirm the from address looks correct. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.